As a competent partner serving the meat industry, FEMAG has provided numerous solutions for the reliable, effective production of meat products. Reliable production, quality and economical production sequences resulting from a continuous flow of material are the characteristics of a continuous smoking installation. A diverse range of products with a variable charge size places very great demands on the flexibility of a meat products factory. Product quality and shelf life must naturally not be compromised. A variety of different products, from hard smoked sausage in sheep's intestines via smoked sausage, Gouda sausage rings, Vienna sausage, corned beef, boiling sausage, individual pieces and products in molds, are heat-treated in a continuous smoking installation. It must be possible to change over the installation to another product in a very short time, since several types of sausage are produced daily. Each trolley is weighed on entry and identified by a reader without contact being made. In this way, the material flow can be followed on the screen of the process computer. All function-related commands and data are preset, recorded and printed out by a central communication system based on a personal computer. Microprocessor controllers for controlling the drying, smoking and boiling zones, as well as a stored program control system for monitoring the spraying, cooling, locks, cleaning and transport system are linked to the main computer. In the event of faults in the main computer, the transport system can still be operated via an emergency control system. The continuous smoking installation has reddening, drying, smoking, cooking, spraying and cooling zones. The zones are separated by locks, thus saving energy. This installation produces 3 tons of sausage per hour. The installation is controlled from the control station by a single person. The dwell times in the individual zones are independent of one another. Like all zones in the installation, the smoking zone also operates continuously. This guarantees the uniform quality of all products throughout the production process, since each trolley stays at each point in the room for the same length of time. There are no heating and cooling times, since throughout the operating period the products are entering zones which are already at operating temperature. The smoke generators also run throughout the operating period, so that there are no starting and stopping stages here either. By limiting the smoking area, which tends to produce more pollution, to only one zone, the need for cleaning and consequently for detergent is reduced considerably. The transport system is so flexible that the available space can be taken into account in each case for both loading and unloading. The radius of curvature is only 800 mm, permitting installation in a confined space. The system permits switches and crossings, loops and inward and outward transfers. This produces a continuous product flow, since the work rate and therefore the capacity is predetermined by a positive movement. This prevents the products from building up at a bottleneck. Not least, the flexibility of the system permits optimum adaptation of an installation to a wide range of products, which can therefore be produced economically. as at the point of entry, each trolley is identified by a reader and the weight of the goods is determined at the exit. These data are transmitted to the main computer, which can therefore make the material flow clear. The layout of the unloading stations is also very flexible, so that considerations of space and further processing can be taken into account fully. Therefore, there are no obstacles to integration into existing work cycles and processes. The installation is equipped with a pipework system for automatically cleaning the installation units and process zones exposed to smoke. In this case, the detergent is sprayed as foam into the parts of the installation by means of ball-bearing mounted rotary spray heads. After a reaction time, rinsing takes place via the same jets. The installation also has a centralized lubricating station. The drying zone is heated with natural gas by air blast burners. The smoke leaving the smoking zone is fed to the flame of these burners where it is destroyed. Let's now take a look at the transport system. These two tracks form the heart of the system. A universal joint type chain runs in the top section of the track. The carriages are located in the bottom section. The universal joint type chain has a number of flight attachments depending on the sequence. A take-up station monitored by proximity switches ensures even tensioning of the chain. The power and free system is driven by a traction drive with a horizontal roller chain engaging in the universal joints. The running gear is halted by stops. Proximity switches monitor these operations, including transport clearance. These switches ensure a change of direction as on the railways. Track changes take place without any other mechanisms. Therefore, the running gear is switched to the new track without a special transfer device. Thanks to a special nesting technique, no headroom is wasted. Since the pawls on the running gear are retracted at the time of storage, the chain can run without making contact and therefore quietly. With the creation of the continuous smoking installation, FEMAG is helping in the economical production of a wide range of sausage products, which will enable it to continue to maintain its position in a competitive market.